cool dApp that I got to try out at the hackathon. It's pretty fun, actually. This is Jeb from Infiniverse. So, actually, excuse me. This is Neb from Infiniverse, and we'll get to check out his dApp and enjoy.
Hey everyone, I'm Neb, founder of Infiniverse, the world's digital layer. Okay. So, don't have a clicker. Okay. Video, please.
Infiniverse, the world's digital layer. Join now and be the first to find undiscovered land. Buy land and augment it with your own creations. Anything you can imagine. Connect with other players. Share your collections. And trade your digital assets. Start a business and earn Infinicoin. What kind of world will you create? Infiniverse, the world's digital layer.
So, how many people here have ever tried out any augmented reality? All right, not bad. Within 5 years, all of you will be using augmented reality all the time. So, Infiniverse is an AR land registry, content distribution platform and marketplace running on EOS. It allows users to create 3D experiences and place them persistently around the real world for anyone to see and interact with. And with Infiniverse, we can discover the world in a brand new way. We can create anything we can imagine and even earn money in this virtual world. So, what is the problem? So, I really love AR. I've been doing augmented reality my entire career, actually. And there's some great AR apps that are coming out, but each AR app you're playing, you're using, you're only experiencing one app at a time, one kind of experience at a time. So how can we allow people to experience multiple different AR apps simultaneously, but without it becoming this big mess of overlapping digital content? So on the web, we use domains to assign ownership of URL names, but how do we know who can place items in specific real-world locations? And finally, when we have all these different AR apps in the same place, how do we actually allow them to interact with each other instead of each app being completely sandboxed? So what we need is a digital land registry for real-world locations and a platform that combines the entire world's digital space into one single interactive, persistent virtual world. And Infiniverse is that platform. So it enables users to create, own, buy, and sell digital content. They can purchase real-world land virtually, which gives them the exclusive right to place AR content in that location. And on the marketplace, they can trade their content and their land using Infinicoin, the currency that powers the economy. And with the blockchain, users have full control and security over their land ownership, over their assets, and it makes Infiniverse basically indestructible. So, you know, some people might spend a lot of time, a lot of resources building this digital content in the world, and you know, they want to know that it's safe, that we're not going to go away tomorrow and everything they've built has been lost, as has happened in many online games and virtual worlds. So the platform also provides users a way to earn money. They can rent and sell their land, they can do jobs for other users, they can sell their content on the marketplace, and they can create premium experiences that users have to pay a microtransaction to unlock, and even run a virtual business in the platform. So how it works, basically there's content creators and content owners. The creators, they design 3D models, they create interactive augmented reality experiences, they import it into the world, and they place it on the marketplace. And then the owners, they can create their own content and get it from the marketplace. They can place content persistently on their land, which means that no matter where they are, whether they're in the app or not, it's going to stay there. Or they can place attached content, which is content that follows them around in the world, but as soon as they quit the app, it leaves the world as well. And then there's a marketplace. We're also going to be building tools for users to easily create content and an SDK to create interactive experiences. And initially, iOS and Android phones that support augmented reality, and in the future, smart glasses as well. So AR is actually a huge market. Apple CEO Tim Cook said that augmented reality is as big an idea as a smartphone. So DigiCapital market research firm predicts it to reach $80 billion market size by 2021. You can see it's a really exponential graph here. As the hardware starts getting better and the experience better for people, it's just going to explode. With Apple's AR Kit and Google's AR Core at the end of this year, we've already got 900 million mobile devices compatible with augmented reality. And SuperData research supports that the worldwide virtual goods market is already at $50 billion. So we see a huge opportunity here combining augmented reality and virtual goods. So we launched our website a couple of minutes ago. We've had a working demo since then. End of this month, we're airdropping Infinicoin and launching the land auction on our website. And first week of December, we're releasing the AR Viewer app. You can come to me after this, test it out. And that's going to allow people to place AR content in the world. And then Q1 next year, we're looking to launch a marketplace so you can trade your land, you can trade your assets, and also tools for people to create their own content. And later next year, allowing people to move on from static models and to create interactive experiences and mini apps and mini games all over the world. And in 2020 and beyond, we'll be moving on from smartphones and onto smart glasses when these devices are ready for outdoor use. So, just looking at the team, I'm the founder. I worked for 3 years at Silicon Valley startup Meta, that's building augmented reality glasses. I was leading the SDK team there, and since then I've been a freelancer. I've done AR projects for Microsoft, Verizon, and Airbus. Our lead developer is a top-notch developer. He's worked for Apple and Virgin America on projects and led the development of a mobile game with over 10 million monthly active users. And our community lead has written a Dutch cryptocurrency trading book. So we're supported by Samsung Next, with whom we collaborated on a project together. We worked with them directly for 3 months, helping them build their AR cloud project. So we received $50,000 from them, and also we retain a license to Samsung AR Cloud, which we'll be needing for Infiniverse. So thanks a lot, and if you want to get in touch with us, infiniverse.net. Thanks for watching.